So I don't know if you've heard of these LED lights yet. These are like all the rage right now, or I guess they have been for a while. I'm just like really kind of out of the loop at this point. A couple of friends of mine have been using a light. It's not the same brand, but they have been using these LED lights and they've been pretty happy with them. So I was kind of looking at the lights online and I was like, wow, they're so expensive. Some of these lights cost $200, $300, $400 or even more. Which is just ridiculous for, I think, for a beauty product that's, especially when it's pretty new and you don't really know how effective it's going to be for you. I think that's a really high price. So I was excited to see that BoxyCharm, as part of their every 3-month huge mega sale, they had one of these for just $60, and it actually even came with a serum as well. And I thought, well, that's still, 60 is still a little high, but I think it's low enough that it's worth trying. I think what's nice is that since it's a light, if you end up not liking it, you could always give it away to a friend because it's not going to be unsanitary. It's not like a typical skincare product. You can just completely sanitize it, wipe it down with a Lysol wipe, just totally sanitize this thing, and you can always give it away to someone else to try if you aren't really loving it or if you just decide you don't want to use it anymore. So I just wanted to kind of do kind of an unboxing and first impression. So this one has a few different colors. The different colors have different things that it does. It gives you glow, achieve a brighter complexion, revive the youthful appearance of your skin, and then soothe, minimize the appearance of pores. So there's all like really awesome benefits. And it's supposed to work well with this serum. First, you prep your skin with the serum, and then you choose which light you want to use. And what's nice about it is that it is rechargeable. So you don't have to worry about batteries. You can just recharge this thing. So here's the product, and here is the charger. So I'm assuming it needs to be charged before I can even turn it on. It says remove protective cover before use. So I guess that's the protective cover. Oh, it's actually already currently got some charge in it right now. So I guess I just press power on. So now it's on the red light. Interesting, wow. Oh, there we go. So then blue, and there's the yellow light. So you just press the power button to change and then turn it off. And that's the protective cover for it. And I really like that you can recharge it, and then you could just like sit on the couch and watch TV, and it doesn't need to be, you don't need to be near a plug or anything. You can just be kind of hanging out and moving this around on the surface of your face. And there are some LED lights that come in the form of a mask, but I wasn't really that into those because I think you have to lie down and have the mask on you. So that seems really restricting. Like you might be sort of stuck there and have trouble really getting anything done, like reading or watching TV or anything like that while you're using the mask. So I like the fact that this is just this small handheld device that you can kind of gently rotate around your face as you're doing something else with your time. And that's the serum, and it has these little, like these little tiny beads in there. Hopefully those kind of pop and whatever's inside the bead comes out onto your skin. And it's not like a plastic bead, because that would be kind of annoying. But I'm excited to try these products, and let me know if I should do a follow-up video about my impressions, or if you guys have tried a product like this. I would love to hear what you think. And I will see you next time. Bye.